Alright, inside the box, we've got the standard documentation, paperwork. Again, in most of my videos I point out, nobody looks at this stuff. We really don't. Looks like the MacBook cable is different than in previous years. It's braided instead of just, you know, rubber coated. It is Type-C. Let's open this up. Let's get this open. I know this is not the most satisfying way to tear this paperwork off, but it's effective. So it's Type-C on one end and MagSafe on the other, and it's braided. Like I said, the last time they were like rubber coated, easier to clean. This nylon material, or braided nylon material, will make it much harder to keep your cable clean. So not necessarily a fan of that, but it might be more durable. So that's always a bonus. It also doesn't look as long as previous generation MacBook Pro cables. My last gen MacBook Pro cable was really long. This one doesn't seem to be more than maybe 4 or 5 feet maybe. Alright, enough of that. And then over here, got the charge brick. Pretty heavy. It's 140 watt USB-C power adapter. Heavy duty stuff. I sold my other MacBook Pro a couple weeks ago in anticipation of this. I can't exactly recall if this is bigger than that one. But it's big and weighty. And that's it for inside the box. Now we can look at the MacBook itself. Put that over there. Right off the bat, this thing feels bigger to me. That's the only way I know how to put it. I like how big the Apple logo is on the lid right off the bat. That looks bigger than past generations. There's your MacBook Pro, 16-inch. Bigger feet on the bottom, it seems to me, and then you got MacBook Pro etched into the metal. Alright, let's open this thing up. I didn't even press the button and it turned on. I like the way the keyboard feels. I really do like that the keys are back instead of the touch bar. That's a nice touch. Pull this paper off. It does feel a lot bigger. The build quality feels more premium than the previous generation. And that's not to say that the last generation was cheap by any stretch of the imagination. This just feels more premium quality. I like how big the trackpad is. The trackpad is quite large. I like how the keys are recessed. Plenty of key travel in here. I like the home road keys are back instead of the touch bar. I definitely like Touch ID. Look over here on the side. You've got your MagSafe is back. You've still got 2 USB-C ports. You've also got a headphone jack. They don't even put headphones jacks on the phones anymore, and the MacBook has it. You've got your SD card slot here, USB Type-C here, and your HDMI port here. Now, after I shot this video, I can edit the video on the Mac and put it directly on YouTube. And I definitely think that this is an improvement over last year's MacBook Pro. Or actually, was it 2019? Did they do a 2020 refresh? Mine was 2019, and I had the 16-inch. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell so you get notified for all the videos. I appreciate you guys watching, and y'all take it easy.